1. Use fresh, high-quality coffee beans. Always choose freshly roasted beans, ideally within 2 to 4 weeks of roasting, for the best flavor and aroma. 2. Grind fresh for every shot. Grind coffee just before brewing, as pre-ground coffee loses freshness and flavor quickly. Use a burr grinder for consistency. 3. Ensure the right grind size. Espresso requires a fine, consistent grind. Too coarse leads to under-extraction, a sour taste, while too fine results in over-extraction, a bitter taste. 4. Measure the correct dose. Use a precise amount of ground coffee, typically 18 to 20 grams for a double shot, to maintain consistency. 5. Tamp evenly with the right pressure. Apply 30 to 40 pounds of pressure while tamping to create a level and compact coffee puck for even water flow. 6. Use clean, filtered water. Water quality impacts flavor. Use filtered water free from excess minerals and chlorine for a clean, pure taste. 7. Maintain the right brew temperature. Espresso should be brewed at 88 to 94 degrees Celsius for optimal extraction. Too hot burns the coffee, too cool results in weak flavors. 8. Time the extraction properly. A standard espresso shot should take 30 to 40 seconds to extract a 1 to 2 coffee to water ratio, for example, 18 grams in, 36 grams out. 9. Keep equipment clean. Regularly clean your espresso machine, portafilter, and grinder to prevent coffee oil buildup, which can lead to rancid flavors. 10. Experiment and adjust. Dial in your espresso by tweaking grind size, dose, and extraction time to suit your taste and different coffee beans.